KLTO stock analysis and KLTO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play and all that good jazz. Is the only guy in this space with 42,000 videos. I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, especially now with Klotho Neurosciences. Yeah, mate, like I was waiting for a confirmation. I never got it. Totally fine, you know. I'm not supposed to get all my rules met, and that's therefore I never bought here to begin with. So what I'm gonna do is get rid of that. Currently at bearish range, gonna mark up the bearish range and go to my just go do my other tickers, right? Because I do see this thing melting. So unless there is a big catalyst or crazy breaks above 145, there is just no way. We pretty much have to double in price in order for me to count this as something bullish to me. Which, let's be honest, is it realistic? Maybe. But if you want to stick to my rules, want to learn how I'm doing 5-10k per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.